Welcome back. I'm inviting you to join us on our dog walk. It's Tuesday the 28th of November. It's the afternoon walk. I'm filming the more active dogs. We've got 9 of them out, and typically they're a bit bigger, but more often than not they have bags of energy, and that's what we've got today. Who have we got with us? We've got Dante and Cardi. We've got Max and Ted. We've got Rua. Hi Dante, good boy. Behind us we've got Barlow, Pablo, Biscuit and Lottie, and we're in one of my favourite places to take the pack, which I'll explain later on. Biscuit, Biscuit! Hey! I'm going to leave them to sort that out amongst themselves. Join us, here's what's coming up, and yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes to sort of explain a few things in detail, but stay tuned. Here's the highlights of today. Nice autumnal day, isn't it? Yeah. Sit. Okay, come on. This way. Biscuit, Biscuit. We don't need that. We don't need that. No, we're not going to have you stalk anyone. Heel on me. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. No stalking, no. Good. This is one of my favourite places to take the dogs, into this kind of unkept grass, and it's quite far off the beaten track. I'll turn around and sort of show you the sunny part. Is a much more desirable place to walk for your average walker or hiker or cyclists or whatever. So we've got this place, this terrain to ourselves, and quite a lot of wildlife live up here, so there's good natural enrichment. We're not going to let the dogs chase anything, but the crows will come and join us soon enough as well. I'll show you that. There are, as far as I can see, there are none at the moment, but just you wait, just wait. Keep coming. There's 2 there. I can hear more in the distance as well. Oh, here we go. They're going to tell them all that we're here. Oh shit, there's one coming now. The word's spreading that we are around, guys. The word is spreading. Where's Dante? Dante, come! Oh, you're behind us. Good boy. Come on. You okay, sweetheart? You okay? Good girl, sweetheart. Good girl. Good boy. We're not in a huge amount of space, to be honest, but all it really takes for the dogs to be happy. I mean, they're kind of naturally following their noses and having a bit of a truffle around, but one biscuit broken into 2 or 3 bits and scattered to the winds, and then when it lands in this kind of longer grass stuff, this stuff, they have to find it. And you hear Dante's nose working, and Barlow's, and Rua's. So that one biscuit is broken into a few bits, one scattered that way, one scattered that way, one dropped in my feet. It's providing them with a huge amount of stimulation, and when they sniff like that and they're really seeking something out, it's really working their minds and keeping them mentally agile, as well as getting their nose in check, which is an important thing to use it in the right way, because I don't want them sniffing, finding rabbits or foxes or whatever else and going and following that. So keep them engaged, and yeah, we'll have nice content doggies. That's what we want, right? Nice content doggies. That was an attack. Here's some of the crows came to show off. Watch this. Let me get you. I can't get you into this, into the sight line of the camera, gang. Look at them all. They've got no fear of the dogs, that's for sure. Should be about 20. Hi, hi. 2 crows for every dog. Dante just back on the lead just because we need some time out, sort of, yeah, this kind of stuff, overstimulated, and it doesn't help that a few of them are at it. Okay. I'll just show you it and then I'm going to stop it. So, thank you guys. Hi, Dante, dead. Good boy, good boy. What's going on, man? You can maybe tell there's 1 or 2 of them barking, and there's a bit of hyperness, a bit of tension also. So I've put Dante on the lead. When he calms down, the others will calm down just around him, and yeah, it's good for him to have a time out every, you know, 5 minutes on a walk. But yeah, hopefully the others just reciprocate. But you can see he's just not switching off. He's not calming down, whereas the others are quite content just standing still. Yeah, use your nose, buddy, use your nose. Thank you, good boy, good boy. Good job. Want to come? Sit. Good Lottie, good girl. Good girl. Gentle, gentle. Good boy, good boy. You guys. Good Ted. Pablo. Good Ted again. Lottie. We'll not have any fighting time. Good boy, Pablo. Good boy. You've all had. This way. Our sniffing adventures have taken us off the track into the gorse, and Lottie is really fascinated here. I think something has probably been sleeping here or eating here or something like that. A deer probably. But most of you guys aren't too bothered. Max, I think you'd like this, buddy. Max, you want to come up? Max, get your nose in there, kid. Get your nose in there. What is that? What's the matter, boy? Eh? There we go, that's good. That's good. I know, good job. It's okay. Is that everything, Lottie? You've managed to get out of your system? Good girl. Come on in. Come on in. Cardi! Cardi! You three, in! Good, you guys. Good. Yeah. You're covered in flour. Good, you guys. Yeah. Another good session with the dogs. We're not quite done yet, but I think I'm going to sign off from a camera perspective now. Do a few more things off camera with them, but just round them up and get them back in the van. It's cold and sort of still and very, very, very sort of light and bright. So I imagine it's going to be frosty tomorrow, maybe even some snow. I think some of the country's going to get, which will be great for these guys. Most of them are out with me again tomorrow afternoon, so yeah, they're going to have a great time if that is the case. But no matter the weather, we'll be out and we'll be doing all our usual stuff. I don't know when I'll make my next video, but I'll try and do about one a week in the lead up to Christmas. We'll maybe do a few specials on a few different things as well. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already and you've enjoyed the content, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And if you could share this to anyone who you think might enjoy it, I'd be ever indebted to you. So thank you again, and we'll see you on the next walk. Say bye bye, guys. Say bye bye. Thanks again. Take care. Bye bye.